All right, guys, check us out. We are going to go over the coolest, the best 19-inch bundle. It's going to be the portable smokeless fire pit. I realized my microphone was out. So the second shot, yes, I'm not speaking, but I realized I did not have any battery. But towards the end, you'll see the finish and final product. So stay tuned. This thing is the best. It's the adjustable cooking crate, has a stainless steel lid, removable ashtray, fire builder, and this thing is really cool. So it's the premium one with the carrying bag, pulling it right out of the box, and does come in a very secure box, which is really important. Here's going to be the small part. You can actually pull that out, which I'll show you in a few moments. But here's what it looks like, bare bones. Nothing on it yet. We still do not have the cooking portion on there, but little instructions. Let's go ahead and hang it up now because I want to show you guys what my favorite feature is. The carrying case is really cool, very durable. So it's going to be strong. Here I have it on one end, I flipped it over, so there is a bumper between the cage and of course the FIGO, but you'll see me in a few moments flip it over. Here, this is pretty cool. So if you want to move around a few of your items, you definitely can. So you do have a nice cool little pick, or you can pull this out so when it gets hot. You can turn it over as well. So now you can actually use this as a cooking portion. So whether you want to cook hot dogs, maybe some steaks, this thing is the perfect outdoor and backyard setup. Again, they sent me this to review. Definitely keeping this in my rotation. But the best part is just how easy it is to put together and of course store and move around. All right, so again, we have our carrying cases. Here's the final product. Really cool. This does move and adjust really simply. So again, you have that handle that you can use to move it. You have that hook on top. If you don't want to keep it too close to the fire, you can adjust the height of course, your tray, which is really important. So right now you see it just towards the bottom, but in a few moments you'll see it kind of go back and forth. But here's what it looks like and sounds because now my microphone actually works. All right, guys, now that I finally got my mic up, I know the first portion was me talking over. I have the answer, a new mic battery. But this is the coolest and the best FIGO outdoor smokeless, whether you want to use it as a cooking top, whether you want to use it as a campfire pit, this is the perfect setup. So in the daytime, we kind of did a little setup, but this is pretty much where we're going to kind of keep ours, maybe a little bit more in the middle. But if you are looking for the coolest and the best smokeless fire pit, this is going to be your go-to. So I'll have some friends, I'll have some buddies. We can actually start cooking on this and kind of adjust it accordingly. Of course, your top, and we're actually going to remove this and go down a little bit more. This way we can get a little bit better cook. But this is actually really cool. We had a lot of fun kind of putting this together. Me and a couple neighbors and my wife, we just wanted to find a place where to put it at. So we'll still probably do a different video in a different setting, but we think this is the perfect setup. So FIGO had sent me this to review. I'm definitely keeping this in my rotation of all of my summer stuff. It is the perfect outdoor setup. There is almost no smoke, which is perfect. So we'll be able to hang out here and kind of have a good time. Also still cook our goodies. If you guys are looking for an outdoor fire pit, that's one smokeless, easy to set up and has all the goodies, this is gonna be your go-to, guys. This thing is awesome.